Good afternoon. I'm Singan. I'm the overseas sales manager at Allink, and we provide NFC tag-based information transfer solution, or as we call it, Next Step. Before I introduce our solution, Next Step, I would like to ask all of you to just imagine that you just walked into a Starbucks. Now you pay with Apple Pay on the NFC reader, the card terminal. But when you want to earn reward, you need to launch your barcode and use a scanner. Have you ever imagined why these stores like Starbucks need different terminals for different services? The reason is, although these readers are expensive, they can only accept information that they are designed to accept. Integration could get rid of these scanners and readers, but it will cost them even more. And that is why Allink is here to provide a virtual scanner and reader solution for mobile services offline to connect freely with terminals without any limitations. Now, Next Step is a white label solution for mobile services to transfer its apps to the terminal, utilizing affordable NFC tags and without integration. NFC function for iPhone is limited, except for Apple Pay, of course. But that is why Korean iPhone users are not able to use their mobile to get onto the subway, to use their iPhone for the transportations. But all our demonstrations use iPhone and its NFC function. I'm not sure why the video is not playing, but okay. So I'll just explain how the video works. So simply tap onto the tag and we send the card information to the gate. And it applies for mobile payment as well. Instead of using inconvenient and unsecure QR codes, simply tap onto the tag and the card number will be sent to the POS. And the payment will be processed by the POS as well. And it's not just card information. We can also transfer any type of information. For example, access ID to the door lock, and the door lock will be unlocked. So we provide a solution that allows you to accept any type and any size of information and accept multitude of services under a single tag. Also, we provide better security than the solutions compared to the NFC readers. NFC readers reads the information from the mobile, but Next Step allows the mobile to read the information from the tag and transfer the information to the terminal through the cloud server. And this might be the highlight of our solution. As I've said before, NFC function is only authorized by the Apple, but using Next Step, any service providers can use NFC service for their iPhone users as well. So even Apple can only provide a payment service with the current NFC readers. Using Next Step, merchants can accept multitude of services under a single tag. And if you look at the cost, it's pretty obvious. So NFC tags cost under $5 per unit compared to the readers and scanners that cost around $150 up to $150. Our basic business model is to charge 1 cent per transaction to our clients, the service providers. But this is always negotiable depending on the number of transactions and the users. So we already have a $1,000 billion market size just for our core markets, including payment and for mobility and the buyer recognition. So we're reaching out to companies that hope to provide to expand their businesses offline, including payment, retail, and franchise. We're working with more than 15 clients and partners in Korea, and we're confident that we can provide a most cost-effective infra solution for our clients abroad as well. So our recent progress in Korea is that one of our first partners, Mirae Asset, has launched their payment service, Mirae Asset Pay, and is now available at CU, the biggest CVS company in Korea, and in 7-Eleven as well. We were founded in 2019 and raised $6 million so far, and growing in a very fast pace. To briefly introduce our founders, our CEO, Kyungdong Kim, has huge experience in payment, including designing logic for Samsung Pay and launching Samsung Pay in Korea and Vietnam. Our CSO, Usok Jung, was in charge of Samsung Blockchain Wallet until recently and provided numerous services for Samsung in Southeast Asia. Our CTO, Sang Kim, has a lot of experience in government projects and developing different mobile services. We also have patent attorney as our director, and that is why we have a solid strategy with our patent in both domestic and international. Thank you for listening, and contact us for more information. Thank you.